Evening, everyone. So today I'm going to go over the all-time chart of Bitcoin. So I'm just going to give you an idea of the lines I've taken. All right. So look at these. We have these two wicks, 2015 and 2020, and this red line hitting all these major supports from Bitcoin's history. So if we zoom in on this range on the 3-day chart, we can see we're currently between these two lines. Now, also very important is this yellow line. Now, this is the neckline. So you have this wick and you have this wick, and we extend. And as you can see, we had 3 days, and 6 more days below this line. So there was no candle close above the line yet. So that for me is bearish again. So what can happen from here, guys? Very, very important. Also note, look at this fractal up here. It matches the one we're currently in over here. So if this follows exactly, we can see a dump down. So basically, this can happen. Get a dump, maybe one more retest, dump again, hit the support, hopefully pump, retest, and up here again. So that's one option. Potentially also, this can happen. So from here I can have a pump, a breakout, retest the line. This can be a very good buy, and pump up here. And finally, option number 3, this can fail the retest, dumps, retest as resistance, dump all the way down here, 15, 16K, then pump, dump, pump, retest, and hit up here, which can even be maybe actually so yeah, these are options, guys, which can happen on Bitcoin. These are very important lines. You can even draw them on your chart if you want to. That way you can practice as well. However, what does this mean? So how are we going to see what's going to happen now? So this is a 3-day chart of all-time history. So if we go on our daily charts, okay, what do we have currently? We have resistance fib channel, so this is breaking down. However, we're in a very tight range on the daily. So look at this, these two charts, okay? So this triangle over here of this line and this line. So today I caught some longs at this line and the 4-hour, I'll show you later on. However, very important now is to wait for a breakout, either towards the downside or the upside, okay? So I'm gonna wait a bit, maybe a day or two, hopefully, before I use any bigger orders. And I'm gonna see what's gonna happen from these two breakout points over here. Also, very, very important is our dominance chart. So again, a reminder, this chart moves opposite to Bitcoin, okay? So this is currently in a bullish trend. In fact, we've got a breakout, a close above the line. So we'll see if this pumps. If this pumps, back to this red line, this chart will all dump, okay? Including the, the daily charts. So if that wedge breaks out, this will be a breakdown of this wedge, okay? So today's plays, very, very quickly. Today I caught around 3 or 4 longs. In fact, I showed you guys this image. This is the 1-hour chart. So if I can just show you over here, see? This is before I took my long. So how did I play this? So first thing I did was I longed the first touch over here. In fact, in the 5 minutes you can see this was around this zone, okay? I caught a pump, well, a very small pump, towards the pivot. And here I took profit. So it was a very, very quick scalp. Once the candle closed above, okay, I expected on the retest, so I opened a long play at this line again, okay. So as you can see, once this candle formed, this line also formed. So we had 5-minute support, we had the trend exhaustion support, and we still had the 1-hour line support. So it's my second long, and I TP'd over here yet again. Now this broke out. I did not short this because it could have pumped. Once it got back below here, I got a short from this green line all the way down here. Once I saw this doji form, I longed again, and I took profit all the way up here, somewhere around this zone. So why did I take profit over here? So if you look at the 1-hour chart, the pivot is resistance. So once this had my third long, I TP'd over here for 2 reasons, this pivot and also the 4-hour pivot. In fact, as you can see, we didn't close above the line yet. So this is the first close below pivot in the last 18, 22 hours. So yeah, I'm gonna wait a bit now before I make any more plays. I might long these two lines. It depends on the daily. And yeah, guys, today very, very easy plays on the 5 minute. You should have at least gotten one trade of this line. Hit it high leverage, catch a bounce, TP, and see what happens. Alright guys, that's it for today. Quick update. It was very, very sideways today. However, sideways is very good when you have these charts. Now again, if you want these charts, you can join our paid channel, which you can find information for on the free group. I've linked the group in the description down below. And as usual guys, don't get wrecked, play the charts, and play them confidently. Alright, good night.